Okay, here we are going to talk about the introduction part of Power BI as well as the installation part so that you can start your task as soon as possible. Okay. Everybody actually, have you installed Power BI or not? Because if somebody is left, this session is especially for that person.
No, we didn't install.
Okay, so this session will help you to do so. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So first of all, Power BI. BI means Business Intelligence Tool. And Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is used to clean as well as do visualization. Okay, clean your data set. Whatever data set you are having, there is a possibility, there is a huge possibility actually that the data may not be clean because real world data are not that clean. Okay, only in government sites and all you can get clean data, but usually data may not be clean. The data set may not be clean. So the Power BI is a tool which is basically used to clean your complete data set as well as you can do visualization also. Also, you can actually share it to the concerned organization safely. Okay, so that these are the features of Power BI. So actually, the whole process is done with the help of Power BI Desktop plus Power BI Server. So Power BI Desktop is the place where you will manipulate the complete data set. You will actually do data cleaning process as well as visualization. Okay. Now moving on to the tools of, before that, I just want to tell you one thing. If I'm having an Excel file, okay, so it will look quite clumsy. Okay. You know about Excel file because the person in the personal task itself, you got an Excel file, right? So by seeing the Excel file itself, can you actually find the insights or can you actually identify within one look that which particular value is the highest or something like that without using
No.
anything? No, you can't do it. But when you will actually clean that particular data set and then you actually make visualization chart and give it to somebody else, that person, after going through that visualization dashboard itself, the person can identify things, right? So that is the use of Power BI in order to get insight in a fast mode. Okay. So our Excel file, whether it is our Excel file, JSON file, text file, anything. Okay, with one look, we can't find things. But if it is a dashboard like this, you can easily identify that whether the organization is making progress or whether a particular product is trending or not, like that. Okay, so that is the use of Power BI. And moving on to the tools of Power BI. See, these many tools are there where Power Query actually refers to the cleaning process of data. Okay, in Power BI, after installing Power BI, there will be an option called transform data. Using that particular option, you can actually clean your complete data set. Okay, so that is Power Query. Okay, now moving on to Power Pivot, it is basically used for data modeling. Actually, you can combine many data sets together and create a relationship between them. Okay, if you're familiar with SQL, you may be knowing about the thing called primary key and foreign key. Okay, so how one data set is related to another, that is defined by these two keys. Okay, in the similar manner, you can form a particular complete data model. Okay, that is what is the use of Power Pivot. Now moving on to Power View, here actually it comes the visualization part. You can create 250 plus charts in Power BI. Okay. Every chart will be there in the visualization pane of Power BI. After you install the Power BI desktop, you will get that thing. Okay. The last one is Power BI service. This particular service feature is basically used to share your dashboard safely to an organization for which you are working. Okay. So that is Power BI service. Up to this, everything is clear, right? Can I move forward? Okay, I hope
Yeah,
everything
sure.
is clear. Okay.
Yes.
So moving on to the facts of Power BI, actually it was created by Ron George in 2010, and initially its name was Project Crescent. Okay, so 1 minute, remove this thing. See, Project Crescent was designed in 2010. Okay, after that its code name was changed to Denali, and actually it was made available to public. Then its name was changed to Power BI for Office in 2013, and in 2014 we got Power BI, which we are using today. Okay, then many upgradation came actually. Monthly upgradation are there, so you after installation you should upgrade your Power BI also, so that you can actually get the benefit of each and every feature of Power BI. Okay, I hope this facts and everything is clear. Okay.
Yes.
So moving forward, see, now moving on to the importance of Power BI. See, importance in the sense, I must say that actually Power BI is a very trending business intelligence tool. Okay, there is always a competition between Power BI and Tableau, and right now Power BI is in a winning situation. Okay. In Tableau we can do only visualization. Doing data manipulation as compared to Power BI, Tableau is not that good enough. So but in Tableau you can get some another features also, like many beautiful charts can be made, and Tableau public can be used for free, although Tableau desktop is a paid version and it is very costly compared to Power BI. So there is always a war between these two particular business intelligence tool. Okay, so you know about Google Trends. It shows that how the importance of a particular keyword. Basically, digital marketing people know about this thing, Google Trends, because they are supposed to work on it. Okay, so whether a particular word is trending in Google or not, that is actually Google Trends. And regarding Power BI, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry. This is the Google trend of Power BI from 2004 to 2020. You can actually view this particular thing, like I will tell you. Wait a minute. See in browser, go to browser and just type Google Trends. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now this is, you can actually search for anything. Like I am searching for Power BI. Okay. I got it, this particular thing from here. This is actually from 2021 to 2022. Many ups and downs are there. You can actually change this, duration. Okay. This is past 12 months data. You can actually change it as per your requirement. Like I took the data from 2004, right? So you can take it like this. Okay. So this is how the Google trend is. You can search anything. Tableau also you can search, any business intelligence tool you can search. Also, there is one more site where you can actually find which business intelligence tool is currently trending. Okay, that I will tell you. Okay. So regarding Power BI, actually 120 different functions are available in Power BI. Okay, different functions in the sense to actually manipulate your data. Okay, and 280 visuals are available. Okay, also it is very less expensive compared to other BI tools like Tableau. Tableau will cost more than $70 per month. Okay, but Power BI actually costs $10 per month. So Tableau is quite expensive compared to Power BI. Okay, although it has many good features compared to Power BI. So there is always a competition between these two tools. So it can accept actually data from 10 different sources. See, you got your personal task data set in the form of Excel sheet, right? It can be in the form of CSV also. Okay. So Power BI can accept data in the form of Excel sheet, CSV, text, and JSON file. Lot of things are there. Okay. MySQL database also it can accept. Like that, around 10 different data sources it can accept. Okay. Sorry, 100 different data sources it can accept. So that is the beauty of Power BI. Okay. So it's also actually recognized by Gartner company. Gartner company is the company which compares all BI product, that is business intelligence product. Okay, so this is the link regarding it. I will tell you how. Okay, see, 2020 Microsoft refers to Power BI only. It's a Microsoft product. Okay, Microsoft is about Tableau. Okay, in 2018 they were competing with each other. They were in the same pace. But in 2020, what happened? In 22 also, right now also, Power BI is quite trending. Okay. So this is the beauty of Power BI. It's very powerful business intelligence tool. Okay. I hope you got the idea about Power BI, that how much important it is in current world. Everything clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now moving on to the installation part. See, first of all, you have to simply write Power BI in your Google search button. Okay. After that, the first link, that is powerbi.microsoft.com, that will come. You have to click over here. Okay. After that, this particular screen will be there. This image may be changing depending upon the updation and other things related to Power BI, website. But you can find this start for free and have account sign in like that. Okay. Then what you should do, you should actually click on this products. Okay. On clicking over there, you will find this drop down menu. Then you should actually click what you should actually download: Power BI desktop. There you will do visualization and data manipulation and visualization. Okay. So click over here, right? I will provide you complete PPT. You can actually install it with the help of this PPT. Okay. Right now, please understand. Now, you can simply go for download free, or if you want a particular language, you can go for that thing also. I'm actually choosing this one. Okay. Because I am actually trying to make it more understandable to the people who actually want to change the language and all. Okay. So if you're choosing English, well and good. Okay. Otherwise, you can actually change your language with the help of this particular drop down. Okay. Then you should, after that, you should press download. Okay. Then what will happen after clicking over there? This particular page will come. So depending upon the structure of your computer, whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit, you should actually accordingly choose the file for it. Like if it is 64-bit system, your system, then go for this particular exe file. Okay. Otherwise, for 32-bit, go for the second choice. Okay. Then should actually click the checkbox. For 32-bit, the second checkbox. For 64-bit, the first checkbox. And after that, after choosing this particular checkbox, what you should do? You should actually go for the button next. Okay. Then it will get downloaded. After that, see here it is getting downloaded. Okay. You can see here in the left bottom. Okay, I actually took the screenshot only. So on clicking it, what happens? The similar thing what happens with each and every application, they will ask you whether you want to install or not. You should press yes. Okay. On double clicking this particular setup file, then you should click next over here, right? Then this particular window will come. You should click next. Then you should actually mark this checkbox. Okay. Then what you should do after that, this next will become available to you. Then you should click next. Okay. Then wherever you want to save it in C drive, you can save it. Okay. If you want to change it, you can change it. And usually, actually, we can keep this it as default because it is more convenient for us. Okay. Then click on next. Then you should go for installation. Click on install. Okay. Now the files will get start copying, and finally after everything is got copied, finish button will pop up. Then you should click it. Okay. Then this particular screen will come in your desktop. Okay. This particular window will also come. You can actually close this window, and you will get this this complete Power BI desktop page. Okay. You got my point? This is the visualization part. Okay. You can choose different graphs from here and you can give them values by using the field. Whatever data set you are saving now, that will actually come here in field. Wait a minute. Here it will be, here your data set will be available to you. Okay. You can check each and every column and everything. This is the visualization. Sorry, this is the visualization pane. This is the field pane, and it is your page where you can actually create your dashboard. And I told you na that there is a option called transform data. On clicking this particular option, you will get a new window, that is Power Query, where you can manipulate your complete data set. Okay, everything is clear, right? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give you this
Yes.
PPT. You go through it and you install everything and try the first task. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, you can do some other things also, like creating your new measures and all, with the help of which you can get an idea. You can create new columns that I will explain later. Up to this, everything is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So actually, I want to tell you one more thing. That is, if your power after actually installing your Power BI, you should upgrade this thing. Okay. So in older version, this particular transform data was not there. Okay. So if it is not there, then you should actually upgrade your Power BI. Okay. Right now it's available, so no issues at all. Then also you can upgrade your Power BI. And in some cases, what happens, this filter won't be there. Okay. It rarely happens, but if it is like that, you go for upgradation. Okay. If you don't have this window, then you are actually using the older version of Power BI. Then you should go for upgradation, right? Go to files in that case. Okay. There you will be having an option called option and settings. Just click over there. Okay. Then this particular actually options will come where you should click on options only. Okay. Now here you are having a new window. Here you should click on preview features. Okay. After that, click on the check boxes, whichever you want. Okay. Then you have to press on OK. That's it. Then you should restart your Power BI and use it. Okay. After clicking OK. So that's all. Everything clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Only after installing Power BI, I can explain you rest of the things. Okay, right now, I think this is enough for you. Do you know about Excel? Like how to make charts in Excel? You know about it?
No,
Actually, as a data
Yes, ma'am.
analyst, Excel is
Yes, ma'am.
also required for you.
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know.
We know it, ma'am.
Okay, most of the people know it. Okay. There, you can actually, if you want to make a chart, you can go to first create a pivot table, then you can go with recommended charts. If you want, I can explain that part. Anybody want that?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait a minute. Actually, I'm not, I'm having your files only. Wait, I will stop sharing. I will take another file, okay? My meeting will end by 10 minutes, okay? Wait a minute. Okay, I will start sharing my screen. Okay, can you view this particular Excel file? It's
Yes, ma'am.
visible, right? Actually, it is
Visible.
the web analytics of a particular site. Okay, it's recent data. It's of August month. Okay. See, actually, if this kind of things come, here also you can do data manipulation. I'll tell you how. Go to data. It's a different site. It's, I mean, you may not be knowing about this site. It's the site named Prayana. Most of the people may not be knowing about it. It's a small organization. Okay. Now in the data, actually you should go, this is looking somewhat clumsy, right? You are having time as well as date all together. So in order to clear that thing, what you should do, go to text, then next. Since this T is actually separating these two things. Sorry, before that you should create a column for it so that we can actually separate them. Okay. Now you can do it easily. Okay, instead of tab, choose other. Here you should write D, then next, then finish. Okay, now it got separated, right? It's not required to you, so you can actually delete it. No required. Okay, now it is okay. 1st August 2022. Clear, right? Now, actually, you can, if you're having a simple data set like this, you can simply select this complete data set. Okay, only this one I'm selecting. Okay, there is one more data set, I mean, one more table beneath that. I'm not taking it. What you should do, go to home, sorry, go to insert, then choose recommended chart. Okay, you can choose any chart. Actually, recommended chart is the line chart only. So if you're choosing it, you will get this particular. Okay, got it? This is your line chart. You can make another kind of chart also, but in this case, it's a linear data, na? So no requirement. You can make pie chart, lot of things you can do. Okay, I'm going to insert, see, pie chart, bar chart, lot of things are there. Okay, as per the requirement of data, you can change it. If I'm taking all charts, you can choose it as per your requirement. But here, I don't think that it is required because it's a kind of different data. Na? You can choose different line charts. Okay. Okay. You can change it. Its color, everything you can change. Or its style, whatever options are available, you can actually try it. Okay. This is how simply we can do with Excel. But in Power BI, we have advanced options available. Okay, I'm choosing the next table here also. I can create another chart, like an area graph I can create. Okay, or this kind of funnel chart I can create. Okay, okay, got it. And if you want it in color format, then that also you can do. Like I'm choosing all charts here. You can see rainbow colors are there. Okay. You can have it in this form also. You can edit your chart title, everything you can edit. Okay. Not this one because it is fixed now. You can edit the chart title like new Instagram followers. Okay. So you got a rough idea about how to create charts in Excel?
Yes.
Okay, the rest of the part related to Power BI, basic graph, advanced graph, that we will actually check out in next coming classes. Okay. So the meeting is about to end. Anybody have any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My question was, if in Power BI we try to pivot the tables, so is there any limit to columns that certain amounts of column we can pivot, or
Lakhs
is
of
that
data
like
you
for
can actually go with Power BI. I mean, in Excel, there is a limit, like some millions, I guess, data we can access. But in case of Power BI, actually limitation is quite high.
Thank you.
Ma'am, after this class, what are we supposed to do?
How I didn't get your.
Ma'am, after this class, when this session is over, what are we supposed to do then?
This is actually for your knowledge, na? I mean, you are supposed to do your task and submit this as soon as possible.
When will we get our task? When will be the task assigned to us?
You didn't got the task till now?
No, ma'am.
Actually, Praveen sir assigned task to every group, I guess. There is a personal task, I mean, to make pie charts and bar charts.
Ma'am, that was okay. That was our task.
Yes. Actually, you should do it with the help of Power BI or Tableau. Okay.
Okay.
I will help you in next class how to create pie chart and those
That
basic
data we
charts,
are supposed to
everything.
transfer.
Okay. What?
That data we are supposed to transform that. Then
Yes.
yeah.
You have to transform that given data into
Okay.
visualization format. You can create a dashboard and please send that file to Praveen sir and me.
Through mail and WhatsApp or
Yeah,
only
through
through
mail you can send. Actually, Praveen sir already told you about this mega.in.
yes.
You have to actually save it over there and provide the link to us. Or
Okay.
you can simply save your data file in your Google Drive. Sir told
Yes.
you na to create a Gmail account regarding your shops.
Yes.
I mean your
Yes, ma'am.
name dot yourshops@gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, you can create a drive also and you can share that link.
Okay.
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 Hello, Ramya. Vishal this side.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So I just wanted to ask Ramya, just basically that the sheet that you have been given to us. So we need to create dashboards as of now, right? And we have to submit to like Praveen for the same.
Yes.
Okay. Like that is a task